Dear friends, this is the Magic Water Elf Science Toy of Big Bang Science. It's designed for kids of 8+. This kit includes different molds of animals and a clear colorful manual. Children can make the marine animal figure with their parents with the guidance of the manual step by step. Through this kit, it can exercise children's abilities in practice, coordination, and critical thinking. The educational science kit can also inspire kids to create because anything is possible when using kids' imagination. It can also encourage the exploration of children through interactive experiments and activities. Come on, let's try it together, Tilda.